Hello students, welcome back. And in the previous video we have learned that how to do a selection of a range of cell. Now you have made a selection, and if you want to do some sort of formatting, how to do that. So let me show you. Here you can see the previous command is still there, where I made a selection from A2 till A15, and that particular range has been selected. Similar to when you have made a make use of active cell command or activate command, and after that you use active cell dot value. Similarly, you have used select command here, and after that you can use selection command. So you can use selection dot whatever methods or function you want to apply to that particular selection of cell. Now the thing is, after selection dot, you can see no suggestions are coming. So for the beginner it is very tough to write commands. So how to do that? We use a trick. The trick is, we are going to make use of active cell command only. We will make use of active cell command. Later on we are going to convert that into a selection command. So let's start. So I'm going to use active cell dot interior dot color. Now interior is a fill color actually. Interior dot color give equal to, and then you need to make use of the command which is RGB. So press the control spacebar in order to have the suggestions, because you will not it's quite impossible to remember all the colors. So start typing RGB and you can see all the colors. So you can try different colors over here. So I'm making use of RGB, yellow. Okay, now interior color is the fill color. Hopefully you have understand. Fill color is actually this particular one. That's the fill color. Okay, the next command I'm going to use active cell dot font dot color. So that's going to be affect the font color, and I'm going to give RGB blue. Okay, next I'm going to use active cell dot font dot bold equal to true. So you will have a fair amount of idea now that if bold is going to be effect like this, bold equal to true, then underline is going to be work like this only, and italic also going to be work like this. Okay, next I'm going to show you the size. Active cell dot font dot size equal to, let's say, 14. Active cell dot horizontal alignment equal to Excel center. Okay, and I'm going to run this. So the moment I'm going to run this, it's going to affect the first cell only, A2, because I have made a use of active cell command. So I'm going to change it. I'm going to convert this into selection command. Okay, the final command, which was horizontal alignment command, this one here, actually horizontal has been applied to left, right and center, and if it's going to be top, bottom and center, then it's going to be a vertical alignment. Okay, so this is left, right and center is going to be horizontal alignment, and this one top, bottom and center is going to be a vertical alignment. And okay, I've made a change from active cell to selection, copy, and I'm going to use this in each and every command line. Okay, and going to run this, and you can see the changes has happened. Now there can be one question actually, that there are so many methods, and how do we need to learn each and every method, and what if we don't know one particular method? So you need not to worry. You have gone through my previous videos of macro recording, isn't it? So you can make use of it. So I'm going to tell you how you can make use of it. Let's say I'm going to close this, and I don't know how to make use of, let's say, italic command, or let's say this style command, Calibri. Right now it's Calibri. I want to change this, and I want to write it in the form of VBA, but I don't know the command. So how to do that? I made a selection of one particular cell, and going to developer, take this one, use relative reference, a record macro. I'm going to give this name check underscore format. Going to give the shortcut Control Q, click OK. Then I'm going to the home tab and going to change the font style from Calibri to, let's say, Arial. Okay, that's it. And then I'm going to developer and stop recording. Now click on macro, you can see check format and click on edit. It do lots of unnecessary programming, but here you can see the command is selection.font.name equal to Arial. This is the way you need to write this. So if I'm going to my module and I'm going to use active cell dot font dot name equal to Arial, going to change this to selection, and I'm going to run this. So you can see this has been changed to Arial. So this is one trick, guys. You can use this whenever you are stuck. Just make use of macro recording, and you can see the command, and you can make use of it. That's it for now. Cell properties are not completed yet. There are a few more important things that need to be understood, but we are going to do it in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.